Start na ba yung game? Ay, victory tong ano to. Oy, pengi gali. Ba't ako nang di makagalaw? Set nga ako para makagalaw na ako. Ayun, gumana yun. Gumana. Ano sabi? Syempre, hotel. Pangat ng office tree, tsaka ng ano, Biolab eh. Malaki nga yung ano eh. Yung Oshi. Oh, hell. That's is. Nakapagay na. Tapos ng ingay. Bare, bigyan mo ako na. Isip lagi. Kung mga ice cream, init eh. Init sa totoo nga eh. Mga walhap. Whoops! Oshi. May ice cream ako, bebe. Wala kang ice cream, Old celebrator. Patay na siya, ano to, hindi realistic. Trade nga ako si Sia 45663. Borders. That's only. You stupid. The fuck is Vanessa? Of course, I'm friending him. I really have 1 million friends. I'm trying to reach 1 million friends. The frick, Sharky? I don't want Sharky. Oh shit, did this work? If is the hacker, is the murder. If the boom, marunong yung emote. Sorry, ako. What? No, wait. This is a secret. Ooh. There's a third secret. I heard something. May nanirig ako, bre. Kumpare, sino kaya murder? Sino murder? No, ba't na yung cellphone ko, boy? Ayo. Sinram ba yung cellphone? Stas. Sticker to ini ma infinite aura. Bro, you don't. That's not infinite aura. Just 1 aura, dude. Boys can do literally aura. Not grounds. I want this night, dude. Paano yung kukunain? Oh, shit. Tignan natin sa vampire. Tapos, punta tayo sa assassin server. Tignan natin kung ano. I'm watching YouTube right now, so... What the fuck is that knife, dude? I never seen that knife. See, let's check his properly. What knife is that? Nebula, Cupid, Splash, Spring, Dolphin's Leaf, Roma, Elderwood Blade, Elderwood Revolver, Elderwood Sight, Ace Piercer, Rainbow Jellyfish Lodge. Bro! How she have everything? Matrix? Oh, that dangerous. Yeah. Oh, shit. If she uses haste, hell nah. Oh, let's see, Pet. Lil Alien, Pumpkin, Bear, Patapin. You stupid, bro. Di talaga! Murder! Ay, assassin server pa ito. Nakalimutan ko! Oh, shit! Bro, yung skill is push na tayo through. Senga. Stupid Nick. I almost in the end world. That's why I cut it. I got this. Fa! Putang. I need luger. Patingin nga kung may gadi ka. Tingin nga! Patingin! Wag kang gumalaw! Butik mo yan. Guys, sabihin mo nga sa comment, guys, paano makakuha ng voice chat. I want voice chat. How to get it though? So, I have cough. Cough. Mamma mia. No fall, he have shiny, bro. I need shiny. Bro, wanna do it or no? But I got it. I got this. What?
Order number 65.
6. Shut down. Your phone is ringing. Rune. The fuck rune means, dude? Ah, ruin. Ah, she got the elder attack right now. Elderwood site, but it's only just kidding, bro. Just kidding. I'm not touching that. Accept, button, you stupid Nick. Oh shit, you're cool, blood guide. You're my next target. Yo, empty. I'm ahead. Ah, you wanna kill me? Haha, I'm immortal. Stop chasing me, fucking D. What did I miss? What the fuck? Ano ba? Ano siya nakakuha ng list? What the heck? Where is he even? He got that treat sweet. Oh my god. Yeah. Galing ba ayaw ka pa? Shiny. I know it's shiny. Let's trade, sir. Ready. Fa! No. Why is trade? Putang. Trading, ano? Ano pa nga ba yun? Rare. Rev. Ba't sabi ko rev? People can offer. Papel can offer. Why is bro spelling like that? Sweet. Hindi na ganun. Diba? Daw